Hello students, yesterday we did some example problems on arithmetic mean. In the same way, today also we will do some problems on arithmetic mean here. Okay, or average. See here, the weights in kgs of 8 students are listed below. Find the mean. Okay, now mean is nothing but average. So average is denoted by x bar. So x bar is equal to sum of all observations by total number of observations. Total number of observations. Okay. Now x bar is equal to sum of all observations. What are the observations here? 45. So this 45 I can write this one as 45.0 plus second one 38.5 plus 42.4 plus 44.3 plus 35.8 plus 39.1 plus 41.5 plus 39.4 by total number of observations. How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 observations. X bar is equal to, see here, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 8, 18 plus 3, 21 plus 4, 25 plus 5, 30. So 0.3 remainder, 3 plus 9, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 5, 27, 27 plus 4, 31, 31 plus 2, 33, 33 plus 8, 41, 41 plus 5, 46, 4 remainder, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 4, 25, 25 plus 3, 28, 28 plus 4, 32 by 8. So this is nothing but 326 by 8. Now 326 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32. 0 here 0, 326 remainder. Okay. Point 0. 8 7s are 56. 4 remainder 0. 8 5s are 40. Now 40 point how much? 75. So this is the mean of the observations. So the weights in cases of 8 students are listed below. Find the mean. So the average weight of each student is 40.75. Okay, understood children? Okay children, you try to do this problem as the homework. Okay, first you read the question. The sales in rupees of a particular soap in a shop from Sunday to Saturday are given below. Find the mean of the daily sales. Okay, so 310, 420, 380, 370, 215, 430, 270. Okay, these are the observations. Read again. The sales in rupees of a particular soap in a shop from Sunday to Saturday are given below. Find the mean of the daily sales. 310, 420, 380, 370, 215, 430, 270. Okay. You try to do this problem as the homework. Okay, next question. The sum of 15 observations is 420. Find the mean. Okay. The number of observations n is equal to 15. Okay, we have to find mean. So mean is equal to x bar. X bar is equal to sigma xi by n. Okay, xi. So x is observation and I is the number of observations. So that is first observation, second observation, third observation, fourth observation, and so on. Nth observation. Here 15 observations. X bar is equal to sigma xi by n. Now this is equal to x bar is equal to how much? The sum of 15 observations is 420. So 420 by n 15. Okay, 15 2s are 30. 15 2s are 30. Remainder 12. 15 8s are 120. So 28 is the mean of the observations. Okay. Next question. Next question. The mean of the data is 9. If each observation is multiplied by 3 and then 1 is added to each result, find the mean of the new observations so formed. Read the question again. The mean of the data is 9. So mean of the data is 9. So x bar is equal to how much? X bar is equal to 9. The mean of the data is 9. If each observation is multiplied by 3. So each observation, how many observations are there? We don't know. So let us suppose the observations are x1, x2, x3, x4 and so on, xn. Okay? So these are the observations. Now, if each observation is multiplied by 3, so you multiply each observation by 3. Each observation is multiplied by 3. So what we get? 3x1, 3x2, 3x3, 3x4 and so on, 3xn. Okay. Now after that what we have to do? Then 1 is added to each result. So add 1 to each result. Add 1 to each result. What we get? 3x1 plus 1, 3x2 plus 1, 3x3 plus 1, 3x4 plus 1 and so on, 3xn plus 1. Okay? If each observation is multiplied by 3 and then 1 is added to each result, then find the mean of the new observations so obtained. Okay, these are the new observations. For these new observations we have to find the mean. Now x bar is equal to sigma xi by n. Okay, so sigma xi by n is nothing but how to write this one? 3x1 plus 1 plus 3x2 plus 1 plus 3x3 plus 1 plus and so on plus 3xn plus 1 by n. Okay, now here 3x1 plus 3x2 plus 3x3 plus and so on 3xn. In these 3 is the common factor. So I am taking out 3 is the common factor. Then x1 plus x2 plus x3. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on xn. Okay. Next reminders. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on plus 1. How many times? N times this one. Okay. By n. 3 into x1 plus x2 plus x3 and so on n is nothing but average. See here, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on xn divided by n. Split this one, you will get n here. Then 3 into sigma xi by n. Okay, I am writing this one as, if you split this one, you will get the n here. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on xn by n plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 and so on 1 plus how many times? N times. So this is nothing but this value is nothing but n here. Okay. Now plus instead of this I am writing n by n is there. N. This is equal to 3 into sigma xi by n. So this sigma xi by n is nothing but average. Our average is nothing but what is that? Mean. So mean of the data is equal to how much? 9. So instead of this sigma xi by n, you write 9 plus n by n. N gets cancelled 1. So 3 9s are 27 plus 1 is equal to 28. So this is the value of the new observations which so obtained. Okay, understood children? Okay, next question. The mean of 10 observations is 16.3. By an error, one observation is registered as 32 instead of 23. Find the correct mean. Read the question again. The mean of 10 observations is 16.3. So x bar is equal to how much? 16.3. Number of observations n is equal to 10. By an error, one observation is registered as 32 instead of 23. So what is the actual observation? 23. How much it is more? It is registered as 32. So how much it is more? 9 is more. So find the correct mean. Now see here. The mean of 10 observations is, so x bar is equal to, first mean x bar is equal to 16.3. Okay. Now x bar can be written as sigma fx by sigma xi by n. Sigma xi by n is equal to 16.3. So 16.3 can be written as 163 by 10. Okay. Sigma xi by n 10 is equal to 163 by 10. Now 10 gets cancelled. This is the value of the observations. Sum of the values of the observations. Sigma xi is equal to 163. Now, by an error, one observation is registered as 32 instead of 23. So, actual observation is 23. So, plus 23. Registered instead by an error, one observation is registered as 32. So, 32 observations we have to delete and we have to add 23. So, sigma xi plus 23 minus 32 is equal to 163 plus 23 minus 32. So that is equal to how much? 163 minus 9. So that is equal to 154. Okay. So this is the value of sigma, new sigma xi. Okay. Now x bar is equal to sigma xi by n. What is sigma xi? 154 by n is equal to 10. So this is equal to 15.4. Understood children? Okay children, next question. The mean of 20 observations is 12.5. By an error, one observation is registered as minus 15 instead of 15. Find the correct mean. Read the question again. The mean of 20 observations is 12.5. By an error, one observation is registered as minus 15 instead of 15. Find the correct mean. Okay. Now, x bar is equal to how much? 12.5. Okay. Number of observations, n is equal to 20. We know that x bar is equal to sigma xi by n is equal to how much? 12.5. So 12.5 is 125 by 10. Sigma xi by n is 20 is equal to 125 by 10. So 10 ones are 10 twos are. Next cross multiplication, sigma xi is equal to 125 into 2. So that is equal to 215. Okay, this is new sigma xi. New sigma xi. Now, by an error, one observation is registered as minus 15 instead of plus 15. So that is, what is the actual observation? 15. Okay, which observation is registered instead of 15? Minus 15. So we have to delete minus 15 and add plus 15. So new sigma xi can be written as, this is 250. We have to delete this minus 15, so minus of minus 15, and we have to add plus 15 because this is the original observation, and we have to delete this registered observation which is error. Okay, so 250 minus into minus plus 15 plus 15, so that is equal to 280. Okay, x bar is equal to sigma xi by n, so that is equal to 280 by n. Number of observations is 20. That is 0 0 gets cancelled. 28 by 2, that is equal to 14. So this is the mean of the new observations. Okay, thank you.